Alright, so it's Ricky Repairs back at it again. Today we have a 2008 Toyota Camry, which we need to wash and vacuum all that, clean the carpets, get rid of those stains. Clean that out. Get all those coins. Clean that out. Alright. Let's go in. All around. Check out the driver's side. Doesn't look as bad. Clean the carpets and the mat. Alright, let's go and check the back. Same thing, clean this seat right here. A couple of stains on the seat. Wash those floor mats. Alright, let's go to check out the trunk. Alright, so I'm gonna clean this as well. Alright, let's go and get started. Just go ahead and first thing we want to do is vacuum the car. So let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, just to make everything easier, I'm just going to remove this seat right here. The back one, as you can see, it's the only one that has stains. These back ones don't. Alright, so I'm just going to remove this so it could dry faster. And clean it out on the sun so it could dry. Alright, just got to remove it. So I'm just going to use this pry bar right here and unhook it. There's only two hooks that's holding it. Alright, so I can let the camera go. Alright, let's go ahead and get the other side. So you see that hook right there? It's actually over here. This one right here. And there's one on the other side. Let's go and get that one. Alright, so there you have it. Just gonna pull it out. See what treasure we find back here. Alright, so we have it unhooked. Let's go and lift it. Should come right off. Give it a little wiggle. Alright, look at all this. Alright, just gonna put that up. Alright, just gonna pick up all this junk. So we recently got this car from the auction. Alright, just gonna pick up all the trash. Alright, so here's a fuel pump in case you need to replace it. Alright. Alright, so this is what I got so far under the seat, the driver's seat. So what I'm gonna do is just loosen the bolts, that one and that one, and there's two in the back as well. Size for that is a 14mm. Alright, just gonna remove those bolts and remove this car seat to the back in order to remove all this trash that's underneath and vacuum. Alright, just gonna do that. Alright, so as you can see all this trash right here. Alright, just gonna bring our trash bag, picked all that up and vacuum. Alright, so here's the passenger side. As you can see, it's not as bad as the driver's side. Alright, just gonna vacuum that. Gonna get rid of this thing right here. Not much thing here. Let's check out the passenger. This thing right here. Alright, just gonna get to those. I'm just gonna use my water hose. After that, I use my drill brush. Alright, just gonna get started. Alright, so I have all my tools in my backyard. So you have to improvise. This is a gum. So just using a spoon to remove it. As you can see, it's almost gone. Alright, now it's gone. There you have it. Just gonna spray that off. Alright, so here it is. See if this thing's gone. Alright, let's check out the back seat. Alright, so here's the back seat. As you can see, I cleaned all this. It's much better now. I'm just gonna put the rear seats back in. Alright, so here's the rear seats back on. You can see we got rid of all the stains. That little spot is just wet. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.